Paul O'Keefe is the Director of Facilities at Mass Maritime Academy, where a wind turbine has been installed as part of an alternative energy program.
Back in the spring of 2006, we started construction of the wind turbine here on the Mass Maritime Academy campus. We started the foundation construction on March 15th of 2006, and the turbine was completed on April 14th. So it basically took 1 month from foundation beginning to completion of the construction of the turbine. The turbine is a 660 kilowatt turbine, Vestas V47. When the wind is blowing at least 33 miles an hour, the wind turbine will put out that designed 660 kilowatts an hour. On a typical day here at the Academy, our campus load, that's our electric consumption for the utility, might be as much as 1,000 kilowatts per hour, or 1 megawatt. So when the wind is blowing at least 33 miles an hour, we'll be providing more than half of our campus electric consumption. On some weekends when the students are off the campus and our electric load or electric consumption falls below 500 kilowatts per hour, the turbine will provide 100% of our energy on campus. The successful bidder was J. Cashman Incorporated. They were selected as the general contractor, and the contract price for the turbine was $1.3 million installed. By the end of the turbine construction, with additional extras, the total cost of the turbine came out to be approximately $1.46 million installed. Part of the permitting process to site and construct the wind turbine on campus was to go before the local Conservation Commission. The major issues that were discussed that the neighbors brought forth were they were concerned about property values, concern about noise issues, and there was concern about the effect on the local bird population. The turbine location, we happen to be adjacent to a bird habitat. Of major concern is the roseate tern, which is an endangered species. So we had agreed to perform a bird study with the Bourne Conservation Commission in order to go forward with the construction of the turbine. There were several reasons for installing the wind turbine. We decided that it did not have to perform solely on a net economic basis with a short payback. We are a state college, we train engineers, so we were interested, as well as the economic benefits, we were interested in the environmental benefits. There are no polluting emissions from the wind turbine, and we're also interested in the educational benefits. We train 50% of our students here are engineers, so we incorporate alternative energy sources, typically the wind turbine, specifically the wind turbine as one of them, into the curriculum to teach them, the students, about engineering, economic analysis, controls of the wind turbine, that type of thing. There has been an overwhelmingly positive reaction to the wind turbine on campus. We have given many tours, answered many questions, and actually given presentations on the process and the economic, environmental, and educational benefits of the turbine. The governor of Massachusetts, Deval Patrick, has issued Executive Order 484, which basically charges state institutions to lead by example in the renewable and alternative energy fields. And we here at Mass Maritime Academy, as a policy, have accepted this, and we want to lead the way in alternative energies. Because of this, we have also recently installed 81 kilowatts of photovoltaic panels on our dormitories. We are also looking at other measures, possibly additional small wind turbines on the campus, solar street lighting. We recently purchased a solar trash compactor, which basically allows you to empty the compactor, possibly on the trash can, once a week. It's actually a trash can that compacts trash, and you empty it once a week instead of driving a polluting vehicle around on a daily basis to empty trash.
In the coming years, the turbine will have more than paid for itself in energy it produces.